Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? What's going on this time? In last 3 days, as you can see here, 4.76%, my friend. You can see here the prices increase of Dogecoin. Definitely, it is really huge pump, my friend. And no coin, my friends, will moving up like that. But definitely, that's really great coin. You can see here in those days, especially they will get a profit. So I'm 100% sure, my friends, in upcoming days they will also moving upward. You can see here in just in only last 24 hours. 3.38% the price is increased. This is not a short pump, it is really huge pump, and definitely when a holder are starting holding, so the price is going to be triple for my friends person, they will get a profit. So therefore I will tell you to please in upcoming days, I am 100% sure they will easily hit now 0.4 USD dollar for 0.4 USD dollar. This is possible if they will get just only, my friends, 10% profit in upcoming 10 days. Otherwise this is impossible, my friend. So Dogecoin holders, please, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. And yes, my brothers, remember to, this is not a financial video, I just advise you, so please research personally before you take any decision. But my opinion is for all of you to please hold down and don't starting selling. I hope you will get a very good profit if you are starting holding and sell it at the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.